In a world rushed by screens, a speaker walks through a forest to reveal how nature mirrors personal growth. Each scene highlights a simple plant or weather pattern that teaches patience, resilience, and the value of small, consistent steps. Tough days are framed as storms that pass, followed by sunlight moments where one tiny action compounds into lasting change. The practical tips include a 10-minute reflection and a weekly walk to review growth goals. By letting nature coach the mind, viewers gain courage to start small, stay curious, and rebuild their personal story.